Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5064081 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error code. Then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to retry update. So when you receive the error, if you see download option or retry option, do it once again and then check. You can try multiple times. If that does not work, restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Restart your computer once, and after the system restart update. Still not working, pause and restart the update. So hit pause over here. So click on pause over here, and then once it is paused, you can click on resume updates. So this process may take some time. Now once paused, now here you can see resume update option. Click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update Services, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. Now once done, now you can find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now once done, now you can update your Windows 11 and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5064081, and then click on search. Now over here, first of all, check which version you have. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer over here. And in my case, it's version 24H2. So if you have 25H2, you have to select 25H2. Now in my case, it's 24H2, and then go to Windows Update once again, and then go to System over here, and then click on About and check what kind of system you have. 64-bit. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. Now, if you have Windows 11 version 25H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. So for me, this is the right one. You have to click on download as per your version and system type. And then over here, you can see KB5064081. Click on it. And once the download is complete, you have to click on this file and just follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use option, fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can restart your computer and then check. Next step is to reset Windows Update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy it till here, and then open Notepad and then paste all the command over here. Go to file, save as, desktop. You can name this file as wuauserv.bat, and then select all file for save as type and then click on save. In my case, it's already there. Now once you do it, now go to desktop. Here you can see wuauserv.bat file, make a right click and then make sure that you run this as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and then let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will run a couple of scans. Now there are multiple scans, so if you check over here, there are so many scans. So these scan will take some time. So first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services, And then if you receive a pop-up saying type in Y to continue, just type in Y and then hit the enter key. And once the scans are complete, the scan will take time, and once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services, and once done, it will close automatically, or you can close it. Once it is completely done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in the browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. So click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done, click on finish option, and then let it close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then you will see setup file. Make a double click, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next over here, accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into the computer, and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. In my case, I ran so many commands, so it's telling me to install again, but it will install. So you can try to install. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.